Have you ever noticed something strange about money? Two people can earn the same salary, live in the same city, and even work similar jobs. But after 10 years, one of them is financially comfortable, maybe even wealthy, while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. So what makes the difference? It's not always intelligence. It's not always luck. Most of the time, it's a trap. A financial trap that millions of people fall into without even realizing it. And the interesting part? Rich people almost never fall into it. That trap is called lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending increases every time your income increases. You get a raise, so you upgrade your car. You get a promotion, so you move into a bigger apartment. Your income grows, but your expenses grow just as fast. From the outside, it looks like progress, but financially, you're running on a treadmill. You're moving faster, but you're not actually getting anywhere. Let's say someone starts their career making $50,000 a year. After a few years, they get promotions and now earn $80,000. Instead of saving or investing the difference, they upgrade their lifestyle. Nicer furniture, new gadgets, extensive vacations, subscriptions, and a more expensive car. So, despite earning $30,000 more, their bank account still feels empty. Now imagine another person with the same salary growth. But instead of upgrading everything, they keep their lifestyle mostly the same. They still enjoy life, but they avoid unnecessary upgrades. The extra income goes into investments, stocks, index funds, businesses, or real estate. Over time, something powerful begins to happen. Their money starts working for them. Instead of trading time for money forever, they begin building assets that generate income on their own. This is the difference between looking rich and being rich. Looking rich means expensive clothes, fancy cars, and constant upgrades. Being rich means owning assets, having financial freedom, and not worrying about every paycheck. And here's the ironic part. Many people who look wealthy are actually deeply in debt, while many truly wealthy people live far more modestly than you might expect. There's a famous concept in finance called the latte factor. It doesn't mean coffee is the problem. It simply illustrates how small daily spending habits, when multiplied over years, can quietly drain thousands of dollars from your future wealth. Rich people understand this math. They know that every dollar has two possible jobs. It can either buy something today, or it can buy freedom in the future. And they often choose the second option. This doesn't mean you should never enjoy your money. Life is meant to be lived, but the key difference is intentional spending. Rich people spend on things they truly value, while avoiding mindless upgrades that add little real happiness. Because once you escape the lifestyle inflation trap, something powerful happens. Your savings rate increases, your investments grow faster, and eventually, your money starts creating more money. That's when financial freedom stops being a dream and starts becoming a realistic plan. So the next time your income increases, ask yourself one simple question. Will this raise upgrade my lifestyle, or will it upgrade my future? Because the decision you make in that moment can quietly shape your entire financial life. And that's exactly why rich people almost never fall into this trap.